Hi guys, Sain here. In this video I would like to talk about the power of angles, but before that, if you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Now that's aside, let's move on to the main topic. First thing first. So why do we need angles? It's very easy. It's to simplify and calculate the tilt properly and accurately and make things easier for yourself. Below I have given an example of simplification, and above as you can see an old master, Charles Berg. Is an image from him. So as you can see he also simplified by using angles, and it's very helpful to calculate the curves using angles. Now I will show you how to calculate the angle of the object, and then I will show you how to draw anything using only angles. So to calculate the angle of tilt, we need to compare it to the another angle to get accurate tilt. So by that I mean, for example, we don't know the angle of this pair. So what we are going to do is we are going to draw a 90-degree angle, straight vertical line and a horizontal one. Now if we were to draw the same angle here, the 90-degree one on this pair, we see that the angle of the pair is like this. Hope you can see it. So now as we know that, so what we will do is we will also copy that. We see that it's like this, maybe not like this, maybe a little higher. Now as you can see, the tilt of an object can be calculated by seeing at what angle it is, considering this is 0 degrees and this is 90. So this is between these two almost. So I would say from here to here it's like 40. So once we have drawn that, now I need to calculate uh, the angles of the pair. Even though if it's a curve, you can just draw a line and then uh, from the start of the curve to the end of the curve, then connect it at later. So if I see here, I will try drawing it. So first like this. I think I messed up a little. So what I am doing is I am comparing. If this angle is like this, and if we see here the angle is steeper, so we will erase it a little and we will draw like this and like this. And if we see here this bit got out, so I will also draw that. there's a dip here, so I see that this side is larger than this side, so I would say like here. And now I am going to connect it through straight lines. Now after we have our pair here, so by the way, all the images I have shown in this video, I will link them all in the description so you guys can see it. Now I am going to draw the stem. Now I would recommend you also draw the shadows using the angles. So I would say it's like this. Once I draw the shadows using the angles, as we can see, this line I made here, this line, so it will now show the form also. Now after we have done this much, we can round it off and give it a shape, and I don't think I think it will look good, it will look accurate, because now you have a base you can work on. So I'm going to round it off, look at the details, and here's a dip. If you're starting out, you might need the guidelines, but as you get comfortable with it, it will become a second nature, and you won't need to draw the angles like this 90-degree. Always compare it to either the straight vertical line or the horizontal line, and you will get the right angle majority of the time. So hopefully that helps. Now I'm going to hatch a little bit, and you can do it with round objects also, as I have shown recently. Right, if this is the round object, it's very hard to calculate the roundness. If I try to do it once again, I may not be able to replicate this exact circle. It might look like a circle, but not exactly like this. So what we can do is we just use the angles first. We see that it's like this, and we can then round it off. My favorite artist Cynics also talks about the advantage of using angles than just then circles. He also recommends you use angles rather than circles. So I will refine this and correct some mistakes here and there. It took me like 5 to 10 minutes to finish this up and refine it properly, and this is it for this video. Hope you like the video and find it helpful. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And if you have any ideas for the future videos, make sure to mention them down below in the comments. See you next time.